Hello, everyone. If you're over 60 and feel your legs aren't as strong as they once were, maybe standing up feels harder, or your balance feels a little shaky, you're not alone. This is something many people experience as they age. The encouraging part? With the right gentle movements, you can rebuild strength, steady your balance, and stay independent longer. Today, I'll walk you through some of the best exercises for weak legs, specially designed for people over 60. These are safe, simple, and practical movements I've used with countless patients. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a chair and a little patience. Take it slow, listen to your body, and check with your doctor before starting if you have any health concerns. By the end, you'll have a clear, easy plan to strengthen your legs and move with more stability. Grab a chair, get comfortable, and let's begin. Before we begin, let's understand why legs lose strength with age. As we grow older, our muscles naturally shrink, a process clinicians describe as sarcopenia. At the same time, many of us move less than we used to. Longer sitting, slower routines, or lingering effects of past injuries can all contribute. When leg strength fades, balance often follows. Suddenly, simple actions like climbing stairs, rising from a chair, or stepping out of bed feel more demanding than they should. But here's the hopeful truth. Gentle, regular movement can restore much of that lost power. Research has shown that even light strength work can boost leg force by around 30% in just a few weeks for older adults. The exercises ahead focus on your most important leg muscles, your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. We'll move slowly, with careful form, so your knees and back stay safe. Each exercise is beginner-friendly, and you can adjust them as needed. Try them 2 to 3 times per week, starting with 5 to 10 repetitions. Increase gradually as you feel stronger, breathe calmly, and stop if anything feels painful. Let's begin with Exercise 1. Seated leg lifts. This move strengthens your quadriceps without stressing your joints, making it ideal if standing feels difficult. Sit upright in a solid chair, feet flat and hip width apart. Rest your hands on your thighs or the chair arms. Lift one leg slowly in front of you, keeping your knee straight but relaxed. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower with control. Switch legs and repeat 8 to 10 times per side. If it feels too easy later, you can add a light ankle weight, but not yet. Move smoothly, don't swing, and stay steady. This exercise helps with everyday tasks like standing up and climbing stairs. Next is Exercise 2. Heel raises. Your calves play a major role in balance and walking. Stand behind a chair or counter and hold on lightly. With feet hip-width apart, rise slowly onto your toes. Pause briefly, then lower gently. If standing feels unsteady, do this seated. Press through your toes to lift your heels while keeping your body tall. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions, breathing out as you rise and in as you lower. If balance is tricky, keep one foot down and alternate. This strengthens your step, steadies your walk, and helps protect you from slips and trips. Exercise number 3, wall squats. Let's move into wall squats. Despite the name, this is a mellow, controlled version that gently fortifies your thighs and hips. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart, and about a foot in front of you. Slowly glide downward, as if settling into an invisible chair, stopping when your knees bend slightly. Hold for a few seconds, then press through your heels to rise back up. Start with shallow bends if needed, and complete 5 to 8 reps. If your knees feel sensitive, don't go too low. This move helps you stand up from chairs and toilets with greater ease. Exercise. Number 4. Side leg raises. Now let's sharpen your balance with side leg raises. This strengthens the muscles that keep you steady when you walk. Stand behind a chair for support. Lift one leg gently out to the side, keeping your body upright. Raise it only as high as feels comfortable. Pause briefly, then lower. Do 8 to 10 reps per leg. If standing is difficult, you can do this lying on your side instead. This exercise improves stability and confidence on uneven ground. Exercise number 5. Marching in place. You're doing wonderfully so far. Next, we'll add light movement with marching in place. Stand tall, holding a chair if needed. Lift one knee toward your chest. Then switch legs in a slow, steady rhythm. Begin with 30 seconds and build up gradually. If standing feels tough, perform this seated by lifting your knees one at a time. This boosts circulation and helps you walk longer without tiring. As you practice, notice your progress. Jot down how many reps you do and how your body feels. Pair your workouts with nourishing foods like eggs, yogurt, or nuts, and stay well hydrated. And there's still more ahead. Exercise. Number 6. Bridge lifts. Let's do bridge lifts. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Slowly lift your hips up toward the ceiling and gently squeeze your glutes. Don't arch your back too much. Hold for a few seconds, then lower slowly. Do 8 to 10 reps. If your neck feels tight, place a small pillow under your head. Keep your knees in line with your feet to protect your joints. Exercise. Number 7. Toe taps. Toe taps are easy and very helpful for your ankles. Sit comfortably with your feet flat. Tap your toes up and down like you're playing a piano with your feet. Do this for about 1 minute and go a little faster as you feel comfortable. If you prefer standing, hold onto a chair and tap one foot forward and back. This helps your balance and quick reactions. Exercise number 8. Calf stretch with strength. Stretching is just as important as strengthening. Stand facing a wall and step 1 foot back. Keep your back heel on the floor and lean forward until you feel a gentle stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. For added strength, lift your front heel slightly, then lower it again. Do this 2 to 3 times per leg to keep your calves loose and strong. If you've made it this far, you're doing great. Many of my patients in their 70s and 80s have improved their mobility with these same exercises. One man named Tom went from struggling to walk his dog to enjoying longer walks in just a month. Exercise number 9. Step-ups. Use a low, sturdy step that is no higher than your knee. Step up with 1 foot, then the other, and step back down. Alternate legs and start with 5 reps on each side. Hold onto a railing or chair if you need support. This helps with stairs and curbs. Exercise number 10. Seated hamstring. Curls. Sit on the edge of a chair and extend one leg forward. Slide your heel back toward the chair, bending your knee, then straighten it again. You should feel your hamstring working. Do 10 reps per leg. A resistance band is optional if you want more challenge. These are the top 10 exercises for weak legs over 60. Do them gently and regularly, and you'll build strength, balance, and confidence. If anything feels painful, stop and check with your doctor. Thank you for joining me today. If this helped, please like, comment your favorite exercise, and subscribe for more senior fitness tips. Share this with a friend who might need it. Stay strong, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.